Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about HelloFresh's delivery schedule, so let's get started. But before we begin, if at any point you'd like to check out and try HelloFresh for yourself with a little discount, you'll find all the useful links down in the description below. First, when you sign up, you'll be prompted to select a delivery day based on your location. Now, delivery days vary depending on where you live, but you can easily check the available options during the sign up process. Then once you've selected your delivery day, your box will arrive on the same day every week. This consistency can be helpful for planning out your meals. However, if you need to change your delivery day, be sure to make those changes before the deadline indicated in your account. Also, if you ever need to skip a week or adjust your delivery schedule, it's super easy to do so. Just log into your account. However, if you're not particularly tech savvy, you might find their website a bit difficult to navigate, but you can always reach out to their customer service for assistance. But you may be wondering what I recommend HelloFresh to you. Now, HelloFresh has been one of my favorite meal kit subscriptions so far. The service had me experiencing some of the most delicious recipes that I've ever had. They deliver weekly boxes of pre-portioned ingredients and rotate recipes, and they send it straight to your doorstep. And with the focus on convenience, HelloFresh provides all the necessary ingredients, cooking instructions, and also nutritional information for each meal, which will save you time and effort in meal planning and grocery shopping. And with HelloFresh, you can choose from a variety of plans based on your household size, meals per week, and dietary preferences. With over 2,500 recipes from all around the world, including Asian, Mediterranean, and Indian cuisines, HelloFresh satisfies all taste buds and palates. Now, even though it doesn't have specific meal categories for stricter diets such as vegan, paleo, or keto, it does cover a wide range of meal preferences across its 6 plans. HelloFresh also provides nutritional information and allergen warnings for each meal, making it easier to commit to a specific dietary requirement. The ingredients arrive in a recyclable box with ice packs to preserve meat and chicken, and added to that, you receive recipe cards that provide estimated cooking times, step-by-step instructions with colorful photos, and a list of required kitchen tools. And paired with their companion, that app allows you to choose recipes, set timers, and follow along with the recipe instructions seamlessly. Your cooking experience will get much easier and more enjoyable. And on top of that, they use fresh, mostly organic produce in their recipes and follow federal safety regulations for meat and poultry sourcing. Their seafood options are sustainable and environmentally friendly, and their pre-measured ingredients result in low waste in the manufacturing process. So if you're someone conscious about their environmental footprint, HelloFresh has got your back. Now, some users criticize HelloFresh's pricing since buying ingredients separately would be cheaper and more servings, but I personally find the convenience of service to be worth the slightly higher cost. I consider the level of convenience they offer, as well as the time they save me, as value for my money. I personally hate grocery shopping. And what sets HelloFresh apart from other competitors is their dedication to the user's experience. They cater to all cooking skill levels, especially beginners, and are always taking feedback from users to further improve their service. The feedback they receive leads to better recipes and sometimes new meal categories, which help them stay on top of food trends. Overall, HelloFresh is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an exciting and time-saving cooking experience. With its wide variety of recipes, flexible plans, and dedication to user experience and feedback, HelloFresh truly does make meal planning and cooking easier and more enjoyable. So that's it for this video. Again, if you're interested in HelloFresh, you'll find a link to pricing and discounts, as well as an in-depth review if you want to learn more in the description down below. And of course, feel free to comment below if you guys have any questions, as I really like getting to interact with everybody. Like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, because it really helps us with the algorithm. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.